My name is Hamdan. For a long time, I believed that being strong meant holding on to everything. Holding on to every friendship, holding on to every argument, holding on to every disappointment. I thought walking away meant giving up. Because of this belief, I stayed in situations that made me unhappy. I spent time with people who constantly criticized others. I listened to conversations filled with negativity. I stayed involved in problems that were not even mine. At first, I did not notice the effect, but slowly I changed. I felt tired more often. My motivation became weaker. My mind felt heavy. Even when I sat down to practice English, I could not focus. One evening, I was sitting in my room with an English book in front of me. I had been staring at the same page for 10 minutes. I read the words, but nothing entered my mind. I closed the book and looked out of the window. I felt frustrated. The next day, I visited my grandfather. He lived in a quiet village. Whenever I felt confused, I liked spending time with him. That afternoon, he was cleaning an old storage room behind his house. The room was full of broken items, old boxes, damaged tools, things nobody used anymore. I watched him carry one useless item after another outside. Finally, I asked, "Why are you throwing all these things away?" He smiled and replied, "Because they are taking up space." I nodded. Then he pointed inside the room and said, "If I keep everything, there will be no room for anything useful." Those words seemed simple, but they stayed in my mind. That night I thought deeply about them. Maybe my mind was like that storage room. Maybe I was carrying things I no longer needed. Old disappointments, unnecessary arguments, negative opinions, toxic conversations. All of them were taking up space. Space that could have been used for peace, learning, and growth. The next morning I made a decision. I would stop carrying everything. I began with small changes. I spent less time with people who only complained. I stopped joining pointless arguments. I stopped revisiting old mistakes again and again in my mind. Whenever a negative conversation started, I quietly stepped away. At first, it felt strange. Some people did not understand. Some people thought I was changing. But they were right. I was changing. Slowly, my mind became lighter. I felt calmer. I had more energy, more focus, more motivation. I started enjoying my English practice again. I started reading more, learning more, growing more. One day I realized something important. Walking away is not always weakness, sometimes it is wisdom. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is leave what is draining your energy. Because not everything deserves your time. Not everything deserves your attention. And not everything deserves a place in your mind. Now, whenever I face something that constantly steals my peace, I ask myself one question. Is this helping me grow or holding me back? If it is holding me back, I know what to do. I let it go. Not with anger, not with bitterness, just with calmness. Because life becomes much lighter when you stop carrying things that no longer belong in your journey. Final thought. You do not have to carry every burden. You do not have to stay in every situation. Sometimes growth begins when you let go. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep protecting your peace. And always remember, not everything is meant to stay in your life. Some things are meant to teach you a lesson and then be left behind.